need my Stanley knife here. Hi guys, and welcome back to Ultra Game World. Today we have the HyperX Cloud Stinger Core unboxing. So as you can see, here is the box. It's quite a basic design. It's obviously a budget headset. This is about a £30 headset, so obviously for headsets that's reasonably on the budget side, but it's still good enough that you want to obviously want to keep this well. And yeah, I think it is quite a nice design overall. This has got a mic here. This has got kind of like cushioned ear foam, and it's got like adjustable, obviously the adjustable headband, and like a mic on and off switch there as well. So yeah, I think basically we just go straight into the unboxing. There is an overhead camera, so I'll try and put that in. So let's go. I'm gonna need my Stanley knife here. Go. Very basic packaging, as you can see. There's a little bit of instructions in there, if you can see. Nothing much, very basic. There's nothing else actually in the box. Here we can see just a plastic sort of shroud covering it, just with little clips. So let's just pull the headset out. So as you can see, here's the headset, adjustable mic, quite cushiony ear pads, as you can see. So I'm just going to put the headset on now. Let me just check I've got the correct, yeah, so that's left and that's right. So you've got your microphone on the left hand side. The initial fit is quite small, so I will expand them a little bit just to get them on my head. And yeah, I think that's quite a nice fit, as you can see. What I'll do is I'll do a mic test in a bit. I'll do that separately off the camera. What it comes with is the actual, like, this is like the all-in-one sort of connector, which is, if you're going to connect this to a PC, which I would assume most people will be using this for the PC, you will need this actual like adapter, which luckily does come with the adapter. Some of these, I know the Corsair, I think it's HS35 headset, it didn't actually come with this cable, and I had to purchase the cable separately, so I actually have the cable included for the £30 price tag. Is actually really good. What I'm going to do, yeah, so you just undo this here, and it just simply plugs into there, and then you plug one into your mic and then one obviously into your headphone jack, and so then it splits it to the computer. Now obviously if you were using like a Nintendo Switch or anything else like that, you'd just be able to use the one here. So as you can see from the top sort of there, or from here as well, the design of it is very basic. Overall it's made by Kingston. Overall it does look a bit of a cheap headset, I do admit. Overall, I do think it seems sturdy enough, like rigid enough. You know, there is some bend there. I wouldn't say like if you were using this, you know, constantly for 5-6 hours every day, you probably want to get something a little bit more substantial and little bit more upmarket. I certainly would recommend more like a Razer Kraken X headset, which is the one actually I've got at home. That's really good. But this is still good for budget gamers who obviously just want to get in at a price point, just get your basic headset for things like your Fortnite and your CSGO and what have you. Obviously, it's got the built-in mic. It has that ability. The mic doesn't actually like retract into the headset, unfortunately. It only just swivels from the up position all the way to the down position, which is here. Unfortunately, it doesn't like go into the shroud or anything like that, or go into the actual headset and hide away. So obviously, if you don't need it, then you just have to keep it in the up position, but then put it down when you obviously need to talk to your teammates or what have you, or whether you're using it for Zoom calls or anything like that. I think overall that wraps it up. Like I say, I'll put a mic test up now. This is the mic test for the HyperX Cloud Stinger Core gaming headset. Compatible with the PC, PS4, Xbox One, Mac, mobile and Nintendo Switch. Overall, I think this microphone is great for gaming sessions on Fortnite, on CSGO, and perfectly fine for Zoom calls. But if you're using this for a production microphone or for video or anything like that, it's a clear no, and you should get a better microphone. But as a headset microphone, perfectly fine. That's pretty much going to wrap it up, and I hope you like my new setup here. This is just my initial kind of one of my first videos in this new setup. We've got the overhead, we've got the lights set up here, and we've got a camera right in front of me. So it's just an experiment to give this a go, and I've got my little sort of background here where you can see my components like a professional YouTuber would be. not like me. Yeah, overall I do think this is a good headset for £30. I haven't done like a full review on it, but I think if you're in the market for a very budget headset, this is perfectly fine. So I hope you like that video, guys. Obviously, please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.